Today I'm going to teach you how to remove those annoying signature dashes in Thunderbird. If you've ever added an email signature in Thunderbird, you've probably noticed those two dashes that automatically appear above your signature. While they're there by default to follow email standards, many users prefer a cleaner look without them. Let's walk through how to get rid of them permanently. First, open your Thunderbird application. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the menu icon, typically represented by 3 horizontal lines. Click on this icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to Thunderbird's main configuration area where you can customize various aspects of your email client. Once the Settings window opens, make sure you're on the General tab on the left side of the screen. This is usually the default view when you first open Settings, but it's worth double-checking to ensure you're in the right place. From here, scroll down through the various options until you find a button labeled Config Editor. This is where the more advanced settings live, allowing you to fine-tune Thunderbird's behavior beyond what's available in the standard settings. When you click the Config Editor button, you'll likely see a warning message letting you know that changing these settings could affect Thunderbird's stability. Don't worry, the change we're making is safe. Go ahead and click Show All to proceed. This will open up a comprehensive list of configuration options that control nearly every aspect of how Thunderbird operates. Now you'll see a search bar at the top of the Config Editor. Type signature into this search field. This will filter the results and show you only the settings related to email signatures, making it much easier to find what we need without scrolling through hundreds of options. Look through the filtered results until you find the setting called mail.identity.default.suppress_signature_separator. This is the specific configuration that controls whether those signature dashes appear or not. By default, this setting is set to false, which means Thunderbird will include the dashes above your signature. To remove the dashes, simply double-click on this setting. When you do, the value will change from false to true. This tells Thunderbird to suppress those automatic signature separator dashes moving forward. It's a simple toggle, but it makes a significant difference in how your signature looks. After making this change, go back to your Email Compose window and check your signature. You should now see that the two dashes no longer appear above your signature text. Your signature will look cleaner and more professional without that automatic separator. And that's it. You've successfully removed the signature dashes in Thunderbird. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.